This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and got an interesting comment on my video about installing the tail bulbs with LEDs. So the comment actually read that the cruise control will not work with LED taillights. So I'm going to take a ride. Let's find out what happens.
So let's see if the cruise control actually works. Let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. It works. And I'm able to adjust my speed. And ignore the service engine soon light. That's something completely unrelated to this.
So there's your verdict. They still work. Now this car is a 2005 Lincoln Town Car. It may vary with other cars, but I did a little research and some people were saying that it would do that. And also the question that was posted in one of my other videos, asked that question. So I just wanted to see what would happen, and cruise control seems to work perfectly, just as it normally would. So it may vary in different years. I'm not 100% sure, but I know for a fact in the 2005 Lincoln Town Car, you shouldn't have any issues with the LEDs affecting your cruise control. Well, anyways, if you guys thought this video was informative, don't forget we have a bunch of other Panther platform videos for you guys to check out. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.